When we talk about the accounting firms providing service to their clients, we can generally classify those services as two types: assurance and non-assurance. Non-assurance are generally ones that require less independence. You still have a duty to the public good, but you can provide more of an advocacy role. So tax services, you are trying to minimize your client's tax burden within the boundaries of the tax law. You help the client actually prepare their accounting records. You are not acting as an independent party, but you're working for the client. So a CPA working for a Fortune 500 company is not independent of that company. They're providing a non-assurance services, whether they're being brought in as an outside consultant or an inside consultant. Now, some assurance services can look like non-assurance services. So for example, providing an opinion on an appropriate accounting treatment. You are providing some extent management consulting, and so it's in those gray areas where you need to look. Now, within the assurance realm, there are different categories. So there's a lot of assurance services that are not audit. So for example, if you are providing a risk assessment or risk advisory, that would be a non-assurance, or that would be an assurance service that does not qualify as attestation. Attestation is a subcategory that includes all auditing, but it also includes things, for example, attesting to financial forecasts, non-audits of reports on internal controls. Audits are when we narrow it down to the smallest possible level where we're giving an opinion on the financial statements. But all audits are attestation services, and all attestation services are assurance services. But not all assurance services are audits. So for example, all poodles are dogs, but not all dogs are poodles. And so it's important to keep this in mind when you read about the standards on independence.